So, today we are going to talk about how to create a new profile, but talking about a new company profile or a agency profile. And well, today, if you had seen my last video that talks about how to create a new profile, but a client profile, well, you will know that the process is very similar. And in this occasion, we are going to click again in client relations. And here we have two options. We click in profiles and then in manage profile. And first of all, we have to search the name of the company that we want to create, to be sure that it does not exist in the system yet. So today I want to create the profile of Epura, that it's a company that sells water in bottles. And so I'm going to write Epura to search it and to be sure that it does not exist. And we are sure now. And so we are going to click in I want to, and we are going to see this list, but in this case we are going to click in company profile. So we have here the name of the company. We're going to write Epura, or the name that you want to create. And we are going to select the language. We have two options, and I want to choose Spanish, and we select it. And then basically that's all. If the company has another name different to, like it's known with a different name, you can write even to 3 names. But I'm going just to leave it in Epura because I think that we all know that company. And we don't do anything in trace code, and then we have to write the communication value. Well, that's the telephone number, and if you have it, most of the time they will give it to you. And so I'm going to invent it. You have to write one real number because that's the process, but right now I'm just inventing them because I don't really know all the information, the real information, and it's just for educational proposals. And then we can also add, for example, the email. We can write it, and we're going to put and then we have the information. We are going to write the address of the company. For example, right now I'm going to put how is it called? The address, like a real address, and we just choose this, and then we choose the country, and I'm going to put Mexico because it's, you can choose the country that you want, but I want to choose Mexico. And then here we don't have data of the state, so I'm going to leave it just like that. But if you have the information, you have to fill it. And then I'm going to put the city. The postal code is just the one that I erased, but here we have it. And the language, I'm going to select again Spanish. And you can learn all the codes. For example, for Spanish is ES, so it's easier to fill all the information. And then with that we have all the things that we need to create a new profile. And then we click in save. And now we have it here. If you click in the name of the company, you can see all the details. And well, here for example, you can see the name, the address, the number, and the other data that you can have. For example, this. And then basically for creating profiles for a agency company, it's like the same process. For example, we are going to search viajes France tour, for example. And we have no results, so we are sure that it does not exist yet. So we click in I want to, but in this case we are going to click in travel instead of the other options. Travel agent profile. And they already filled the name with the search that I did before. And then we have it, we write the language that we want to put, and this is not important, and you write the number of the company. Yeah, I'm just trying to fill all the parts, but you have to do it right if you are in a serious business. And we're going to we have to first select what we want to put. For example, here the email, and we click here, and then I write I don't know, France tour, and then we complete it, and yeah, and then we put an address like this, and then we can select the country, and then we put the city, and just like that, and we complete the language. And that will be all for creating a profile for a travel agency. And here we have it. I hope that you liked it, and that's all for today. Thanks for watching this.